Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, anak-anakku.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you. Before we start our lesson, Fajra, may you lead our lesson today?
Before we start our lesson, let's say Bismillah together. Bismillah.
Okay, let me check your connection first, ya. Hilga, can you hear my voice?
Let me.
Yes, okay. Puja, can you hear my voice?
Let me.
Okay. Fajra?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Masih ingat what is describing person? Kalau kita ingin membuat teks descriptive text itu, terutama yang describing people itu, kita lihat dari apanya dulu. Dari apa? Kalau kita mau lihat, mau menciri-cirikan seseorang itu, kita lihat dari apanya dulu?
Fisiknya dulu, Miss.
Fisiknya dulu. Oke, good. Dari from her or his eyes, her hair, his hair, and personality. Okay. Now I will share screen. Okay, can you see? Ya. Tujuan pembelajaran bisa dilihat tulisannya?
Bisa, Miss.
Okay, is it clear? Okay, now please Fajra read the first one. Tujuan pembelajaran.
Membandingkan dua teks deskripsi terkait orang sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next, Hilga.
Menyusun teks deskripsi sederhana dan pendek tentang orang.
Okay, good. Thank you. Nah, this is about descriptive text ya. About describing person. Jadi teks deskriptif itu like this. Okay. Descriptive text is a text which says what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. Kemudian the generic structure-nya identification. Yang pertama itu please read Fadia.
Identification contains about the introduction of a person, place, animal, or object will be described.
Yeah, thank you. This description, please read Anna.
Description contains a description of something such as an animal is shown by describing its feature, form, color, or anything related to what the word describes.
Okay, thank you. Ya, generic structure dari descriptive text itu there are two generic structure. The first one is identification. Itu biasanya ada di paragraf 1 ya, contains about introduction of a person. Jadi perkenalan dari benda atau orang yang akan dideskripsikan. Kemudian the second one is description. Contains a description of something such as animal, things, place, or person by describing its feature, forms, colors, or anything related to what the writer describe. Ya, jadi benda yang tadi itu lebih dijabarkan lagi secara spesifik. Ya. I have two texts. The first one is about Rizky Bilar. Ya, someone that has name Rizky Bilar. Oke, untuk the first paragraph, please read. Who wants to read the first one? Ada yang berkenan?
Saya, Miss.
Akila.
Rizky Bilar is a handsome and attractive Indonesian actor stamped at anak jalanan. He is tall and has medium weight. He has soft, straight black hair. His face is square with slanting eyes, a pointed nose, nice cheeks, and hamburger lips. He does not have any bird of moustache. He is smartly dressed so that he looks stylish and good looking.
Oke, ya, the first paragraph. Thank you, Akila. Ya, dari yang generic structure saya bacakan tadi itu adalah paragraf 1 ini disebut apa? Identification ya, identification. Jadi siapa yang mau diidentifikasi di sini?
Rizky Bilar.
Rizky Bilar ya. Jadi perkenalannya di sini sudah dijelaskan tentang physical appearance-nya. Ya, his face is square with slanting eyes, a pointed nose, nice cheek, and hamburger lips. He does not have any beard or mustache. Kemudian the second paragraph, please read. Who wants to read the second paragraph?
Saya Miss.
Pak Dia.
He is attractive. He likes to make smart jokes. People always look at his jokes. He is friendly and sociable. He always smiles at everybody he meets.
Oke, ya. He is attractive. Di sini sudah dijelaskan ciri fisiknya dan personality-nya ya, about his physical appearance and his personality. Kemudian we start to answer the questions ya. What is the text tell about?
What is the text about?
Ya, the
Rizky
answer is
Bilar description.
okay. Number 2, what does he do? Who wants to answer the question?
He is an actor.
Okay, good. Thank you, Amel. He is an actor. What does he look like? Dia bagaimana bentuknya, ciri fisiknya?
He is tall and has medium weight.
Oke, he is tall and has medium weight. Dia tinggi dan tubuhnya tidak terlalu kurus dan tidak terlalu gemuk.
Tidak terlalu
Ya.
besar.
Number 5, what is his personality? Who wants to answer? Number 5,
He is attractive.
attractive. Ya.
He like to make smart jokes.
Oke, thank you Fajra. He is attractive. This is the tadi yang paragraf pertama, the first paragraph is identification. The second paragraph is description. Okay, yeah. Now we go to the second text. Yeah, this is Andrea. Wants to read the first paragraph?
Someone I admire is my best friend. His name is Andrea. He is 14 years old. He has blonde short hair and light blue eyes. He is 173
centimeter.
cm tall. He
Yeah.
has a little canopy.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you Amel. Ini the first paragraph tadi disebut apa?
Identification.
Identification, good. Okay, now the second, this is about Andrea's description ya. Kemudian the second paragraph, please read.
He always makes laugh and he helps me when I'm sad. He is the biggest boy that I know. I will become talk like him. He is also generous because it's me. I'm looking girls to be one of his friends.
About the second paragraph, what is we call in the second paragraph, the general structure of descriptive text. Apa itu paragraf keduanya? Disebut apa?
Descriptive.
Description. Okay, good. Thank you. Now we go to the question. Okay, now what is the text tell about?
Andrea description.
Okay, good, Yoga. How old is Andrea? Who wants to answer?
14 years old.
Okay, Fajra, thank you. Number 3, what does he look like?
He has blonde short hair and light blue eyes.
Okay, thank you, Puja. He has blonde short hair and light blue eyes. Number 4, why does the writer admire Admira? Oh, sorry, Andrea, sorry.
He has a great personality.
Iya, he has a great personality. Is he a kind person?
Yes,
Yes.
he is.
Okay, thank you. Ya, okay, that's all about the two texts ya. Sudah kita bahas. Yang pertama itu about Rizky Bilar. The second one about Andreas description. Ya. Now I have a table that we have complete together according to the text tadi. Okay, Rizky Bilar. He is 14 years old. Yang menjelaskan ada usianya di teks tadi, Rizky Bilar ada ke tahun tadi usianya?
Rizky bilang
Tidak
no,
ada.
Miss.
No, oke. Andrea ya. Berarti ya.
Yes.
Andrea ada?
Yes.
Ada.
Yes,
Ah,
ada.
ya. Now we go to your task. Okay, wait. Kelompoknya kemarin masih sama seperti kemarin ya, dibagi kelompok 2 kelompok. I will explain about the task ya, group task. I have a picture ya. Jadi nanti tugas kamu membuat teks yang seperti Rizky Bilar tadi atau Andrea tadi. You make a short descriptive. Kalau tadi kan Rizky Bilar dan Andrea cukup panjang, kamu cukup short paragraf ya, berdasarkan pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang ini. Ya, what is his name? How old is he? Write about his physical appearance and his personality. What is his hobby? Contoh yang teks Rizky Bilar tadi sudah saya share di Google Classroom. Ya, pasti kalian sebelum belajar sudah saya minta untuk cek. Jadi sudah dicek. Jadi kalau mau lihat contohnya, boleh langsung cek di Google Classroom-nya. Okay, do you understand? This is for group 1. That's for group 1. And nanti you write the text here, ya, according to the question. These questions, ya. Okay, we divide into 2 groups ya. Saya masukkan ke breakout rooms. Sudah bisa dibuka linknya?
Sudah, Miss.
Can you find the name? The name, siapa namanya? Ceritanya?
Krishna.
Krishna.
Namanya Krishna.
Sudah sepakat namanya Krishna?
Sudah, Miss.
Sudah, oke, good. Oke, kira-kira dia how old is he? Umurnya kira-kira berapa?
14.
14 years old.
14 years old.
Okay, let me check first. Who wants to read the first sentence?
She is Jaka. She is 15 years old.
Okay, next.
He has brown hair and light gray eyes.
Okay, next.
His face is round and pointed nose.
His hobby is design. Sometimes upload his design.
Next, the last sentence is
He is a shy person, but he is helpful. He helps people in need. I like to be his friend.
okay, ya, good. Ada sanggahan untuk grup 2, grup 1? Sudah jelas atau ada yang mau di Miss? Harusnya nggak begitu, Miss.
Sudah ada, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you. Give applause for all of you. Tepuk tangan dong, ayo dong, masih semangat kan? Ya, okay, thank you. I will stop share. We make a conclusion about our lesson today. Kira-kira kita ini dari yang pertama tadi gitu, kita mempelajari tentang apa lagi? What did we learn? Yuk kita review lagi dari awal descriptive text. Ya, descriptive text itu tadi ada 2 generic structure-nya. Yang pertama itu adalah identification. Yang kedua,
Description.
okay, good. Description. Iya, oke. Tadi kita membandingkan 2 teks, ya, membuat tabel dan membuat yang kita pelajari ini adalah descriptive. Okay, good. Describing people, ya, describing person. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attendance. Untuk kegiatan next week, mungkin saya akan mengadakan ulangan, ya, ulangan nanti linknya akan saya share di Google Classroom. Ya, jadi tunggu saja nanti pas jadwal pelajaran kita. Okay, that's all for today. Fazra, may you lead our end of the lesson today?
Before we end our lesson, let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.